What if changing the way you move could change your entire life? Experience the Feldenkrais method in a free online event from the Shift Network. Join body language expert and Guild-certified Feldenkrais teacher Lavinia Planka. Discover how habitual postures shape your self-image, worldview, and well-being. Unravel tension patterns that constrict breath, burden the heart, and drain energy. It's not just muscles or joints. It's mixed messages from your brain. Learn gentle, sophisticated movements that retrain your nervous system with awareness. Move with minimum effort and maximum efficiency to reduce pain and expand possibility. Receive 3 subtle yet powerful Feldenkrais sequences to melt tension and rebalance. Improve balance and sharpen your vision literally and figuratively as you practice. Begin a new conversation with your brain, your breath, and your whole self. Transform emotional postures that reinforce fear, unworthiness, and self-sabotaging habits. Feel your pelvis, ribcage, lungs, and heart align in cooperative, effortless motion. As coordination improves, creativity, intuition, and confidence naturally come online. Lavinia's engaging guidance makes profound change feel light, accessible, and fun. This 60-minute mini-workshop also shows how you can continue learning with her. Select your preferred time and claim your free spot right now. Sign up with confidence. Your information is safe, and you can unsubscribe anytime.